How do everybody? Trying to do a quick go through on the settings. Somebody messaged me, one of my subscribers, and asked me for a little bit of help in terms of the settings, because they're saying they're getting a constant hum, and I think I know what they've done. So when I look at the screen, I think I know where they've gone wrong. So if we go through the settings, then we've got field 1. That's your air balance, which obviously you hold it up in the air, press your plus and cross, and it'll air balance it. The next one, we hold it in and bounce it on the floor till it shuts up, like it has done there. Then you're ready. So these are the next settings, which you don't really need to adjust once it's done. Volume 25, always have it at 25, nice and loud because I'm a bit mutton. This is where I think they've gone wrong. So now this is your threshold, and I think if you listen, I think that's what they've done. You don't need to adjust your threshold. Leave it at 0 unless you want to hold on to the previous tone. You don't need to touch it, just leave it as it is. Next one, 5 tone. I don't use 50, it's too much. My discrimination is minus all the way up to there for me iron setting. And then because, right, normally I have my recovery set to 3, all fields. However, because this field, which is a Saxon field, and it hasn't been ploughed, I think he said nearly 200 years it hasn't been ploughed, any coins are going to be just that little bit deeper than a normal coin. So because of that, I've reduced the recovery down 1, which makes it go a little bit deeper. It's a little bit more sensitive, it makes it go a little bit deeper, but it'll help you with the deeper coins. Anything like less than a foot, 14 inches to a foot, anything less than that, just have it there. If it's a freshly ploughed field, have it in 3. If it's a really, really deep coin field like this, and it hasn't been done such a long time, but you know the stuff in there, put it down to 2. And that's all I do there. And that's it. And then I go back to there, field 1, and that's it, I'm done. So next time I turn my machine on, and this is all I do, when I turn my machine on, settings, quick air balance, quick ground balance, straight back to detecting, off I go. Job done. But I think that problem of that subscriber, they've gone through to this and they've gone to the threshold and turn that up, which is why they're getting the constant hum. Leave the threshold on 0. Right, see you soon. So this is an example of how good the bringing the recovery down to 2 works in compacted fields like this old, say, Saxon field here. If it's just normal ploughed field, it would be too much and you'd get too much noise. But we just found this, which is, I think it's an old oval buckle or part of a buckle or something like that, and at the bottom of there. And if you look at my pinpointer, it's, well, it was just there at the bottom, so that's how deep it is. If I get my little spade to measure, so 6 inches there, so there's 6 inches to there, and then there, it's about 13 inches, that 13-inch deep with that setting. This is a spaniel who likes metal detecting. Go on, Peg, find it, Peg, find it. Go, find it then, find it. Good girl, Peggy. Who's a good girl? Find it, find it. Who's a good girl? Where's it? Oh, good girl. What numbers are you rocking there?
10, 11, mate.
10, 11. Dogs, out of the way. Ozzy, come on, move. A solid 10, 11. She's out.
Even louder and close.
Same coin settings, isn't it? Recovery 2. Other than that, it's just the same, isn't it?
Exactly the same setting. The master settings.
What you got there? A bit of lead.
Lovely, soft, tiny bit of lead.
Look at that, look. How are you finding your new pouch then, Lee? The new QIKCLIX.
It's the thing, innit?
Have a look at it.
It's the ultimate, my brother.
Oh, look at that.
Effortless.
Perfect.
You all need one of these, guys.
Happy face. You finding it, Oz? Good lad. Right then, so we're back on it again. Lee's on it today. He's finding it, smashing it all over. What do you get?
Solid
Solid 18, helped by Peggy. And we're stuck in clod luck. Let's have a look at what she is. She's a coin. Oh, it's a button.
It's a pesky.
So close though, so close. Looks like a coin on one side.
Damn you!
Next.
How can it do
Next. Are you doing it as well, Alfie? Are you? Good lad. So you got your little spade. You got your little pinpointer there, look. And your metal detector. Okie dokie. And you find me some treasure then. Come on then. Don't put your spade in the way because it'll might make it go off, eh? Good lad. That's it. You've got to wander around like Mummy is. And you might find something, eh? What do you think? I think so.
You might find a gold coin.
Hopefully find a gold coin, eh? Fingers crossed.
Silver.
Or silver coin, that's right.
Or a half penny.
Or a half penny, that's right. Well done.